Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to back up all your chats in WhatsApp. That is, you will be able to save a copy of all your data in .ua, and then when you log back into your account on another device or this one, it will be saved. How do you do this? To do this, you log into WhatsApp. Next, you open the chats, and you click on Settings. Next, you select the item Chats. After that, you click on Chat Backup, and you click on Backup Now, and you click on that. Wait a few minutes if you have a lot of data. It's saving the copy. You can also click on the item Auto Backup, and it will help you to enable automatic copying of data on a certain day, which you can choose. You select the time period you want and save. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.